Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. And I'm going to check the sound now. As always, it seems good. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, John. Nice to see you live here. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we'll continue working with self-criticism and perfectionism, but from a different angle, from the point of view of embodiment. Just as we need to integrate our emotions in order to love ourselves more fully, so too we need to be reunited with our bodies. We already know how important it is. But even though logically we may understand the importance of being kind to our body, so many of us have a lot of negative self-talk about the body. Sharon Salzberg says that the journey to loving ourselves doesn't mean we like everything about our bodies or our personalities. But it does mean stepping away from conventional obsessions about everything we have been told is wrong with us by parents, partners, our social group, the media, or the mean girls in high school. If we can feel and appreciate our bodies from within, we are not in bondage to the messages coming from the outside. When we contemplate the miracle of embodied life, we begin to partner with our bodies in a much kinder way. And a practice that Sharon Salzberg suggests for this purpose comes from a Sri Lankan monk, the Venerable Ananda Maitreya. It is a body scan infused with the loving kindness practice. Let's try it together now. It'll be very interesting to see how it lands for you. I have never practiced this before either, so I'm very curious. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind, into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be natural, not perfect. Just notice how the body breathes itself, in and out, in and out. Allow some spaciousness in your breath so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy without struggle. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Silently or out loud, repeat after me. May my head be happy. May it be peaceful. May my head be happy. May it be peaceful. With kindness, focus your attention on your eyes now as you repeat. May my eyes be happy. May they be peaceful. May my eyes be happy. May they be peaceful. Now your nose. May my nose be happy. May it be peaceful. May my nose be happy. May it be peaceful. May my mouth be happy. May it be peaceful. May my mouth be happy. May it be peaceful. May my ears be happy. May they be peaceful. May my ears be happy. May they be peaceful. May my neck be happy. May it be peaceful. May my neck be happy. May it be peaceful. May my shoulders be happy. May they be peaceful. May my shoulders be happy. May they be peaceful. May my arms be happy. May they be peaceful. May my arms be happy. May they be peaceful. May my fingers be happy. May they be peaceful. May my fingers be happy. May they be peaceful. May my chest be happy. May it be peaceful. May my chest be happy. May it be peaceful. May my belly be happy. May it be peaceful. May my belly be happy. May it be peaceful. May my back be happy. May it be peaceful. May my back be happy. May it be peaceful. May my hips be happy. May they be peaceful. May my hips be happy. May they be peaceful. May my legs be happy. May they be peaceful. May my legs be happy. May they be peaceful. May my toes be happy. May they be peaceful. May my toes be happy. May they be peaceful. Now feel the entire body as one field of energy, one radiant sensation. And repeat after me. May my whole body be happy. May it be peaceful. May my whole body be happy. May it be peaceful. And now bring your hands to your heart and repeat after me. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And now let go of the practice and just check in with yourself. How was this experience for you? Was it rather pleasant? Or perhaps this body scan and the wishes of loving kindness actually stimulated some judgments or self-criticism. It's okay either way. As always, it's just an exploration. Personally, I really liked this practice and I will definitely integrate it into my life. What about you? Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.